Hello, my Pebble Pop babies. How are you doing? Today we are going to count from 71 to 80. Shall we start? 71. 7 and 1 makes 71. 72. 7 and 2. 72. Look at these cute puppies. 73. 74. Hello, chickies.
7, 8, feeling great. Giraffe is bouncing.
75. Panda 75. Hello, Panda. 76. 76. 7 and 6. 76. 77. Queens. 78. Look at those true friends. 79. And here comes 80. Happy friends. Did you like it? Come again next time. Bye bye.
Here we go! 1, 2, tie a shoe. Here comes Bunny.